This is what we need to start. Memory, screwdrivers. Again, never done this before. This is a Lenovo G50. They told me that it's supposed to have 8 gigs of RAM. Mine only showed 6. I called and talked to them, and they told me that I have a 4 and a 2 in there. Replace the 2 with an 8, and I'll go up to 12 gigs. I said that's fine. Never did this before. Here we go. First thing you do is take the battery out. There we go. No power in the unit. Then I guess you take these screws out here. So you want to take this off. So here we go. Just making sure that it's recording. Again, I know nothing about computers, about hardware, so I'm hoping this is a simple, remove and install. So I did watch a video, and it said obviously take the battery out, take the screws out, drag this. Here we go. It said you should ground yourself, so touch some metal. I am touching metal. And I'm looking here, and I don't know which one's which. I guess that's a little confusing to not know which memory stick is which. This one says 2 gigs, so let's take this out. I think you pop these off the edge. Here you go. This one right here says 2 gigs somewhere. Right here, 2 gig. I'm going to assume this one, which you shouldn't have to take out, is going to say 4 gigs, and it does. So I'm going to put this back in here. Just slide it in. Push down. Done. I'm going to open up. This is from Memory Stock. This is where I got this. I'm going to open this up. Comes with a receipt. Electrostatic bag. Just be careful not to touch the metal. That's fine. I won't do that. This is an 8 gig. Looks like it goes in this way. Slide it in. Push it down. Good. I'm going to put the old 2 gig, which is basically useless, but I'll put that back in the bag. Move that over to the side. Everything else looks okay in here, I guess. Again, I don't know what I'm doing or looking at. These are in there and attached. So I guess I just have to be hopeful that put this back together and it works. Screw this back in. I'll be honest with you, I know nothing about computers, and this was extremely simple and easy. I've never done this before, so this was literally the first time. The battery back in here. This is an old computer, but if this speeds up the process, I'll be very happy. There you go, all back together. What I'm going to do is stop the video, and I'm going to start it back up to show that it works. Okay, here you go. All I did was plug the computer in, hook everything back up. It did take few seconds longer to start up than it did before, so I got a little worried. But I don't think that's going to be an issue here. At least I hope not. So let's see what happens. Starting the computer up. Computer starts fine. Login is fine. What I want to do is this load. Actually, it's acting fairly slow, which is confusing. Let's go to system. And I guess I just have to hope that it says 12 gigs now. Again, this is very slow. I don't know why this is slow. Has me a little bit worried. 12 gigs, 11 gigs usable. So before that was 6 gigs, like 4.5 or 5 gigs usable. So there you go.